I was searching today for a winning product on Etsy for you. And today, I promise you, if you watch this video until the very end, you are going to walk away with two very important things. The first thing is that you will learn a new skill inside Canva that will save you hours of design time. And that skill is Bulk Create. And the second thing, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a valuable gift. Yes, a valuable gift. So do not miss a single second of this video because everything here matters. Now, if we go over to Etsy, I found this amazing product. It's a kids coloring pages bundle. The pages are very simple. There's an animal and right below it, the name of the animal. The child enjoys coloring the images and at the same time, learning the names of the animals. What really encouraged me to share this book with you is that it made 2 sales in the last 24 hours. Which means it is selling well right now. The seller is offering 130 pages for only $2.60. And if we take a closer look at the interior pages, you'll notice they are extremely simple. 1 animal per page and the name written underneath. But here's the important question. Is this product actually selling well in terms of data? Let's immediately move to analyzing the product title. We'll find that the monthly search volume for this product and similar products is around 18,500 searches per month. However, the competition is over 70,000 listings. That means this product has very high competition. And realistically, if we create the same product, we will not achieve strong sales because we'll be competing in a crowded market. But here's the beautiful part. If we scroll down just a little, we'll see that Etsy suggests similar products with much lower competition. For example, the product Alphabet Animals Coloring has around 16,000 monthly searches, and the competition is only 3,500. That is a very good opportunity. It's a strong demand product with relatively low competition. Also, the product Sea Animals Coloring has about 22,000 monthly searches, with competition around 4,000 listings. And the click rate on this product is approximately 14%, which is a very high and healthy click-through rate. So based on this data, this is the product we are going to design together in this video. And I am absolutely confident that this product can achieve strong sales if we execute it the right way. Stay with me, because now we're going step by step into how to create it the smart way. In order to design this product easily, the first thing we need is 120 sea animals' names. So I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to write the 120 names of these animals for me. And within seconds, ChatGPT will generate all of these names professionally and in a way that is perfectly suitable for kids. Now let's move over to Canva so we can start designing the book pages. And you're going to be amazed at how easy and how fast this process is. First, I'm going to create a new design with dimensions 8.5 by 11 inches. On each page, we want to place one image of the animal and the name of the animal underneath the image. Very simple. But to make the page look more organized and clean, I'll go to Elements, then Shapes, and I'll add a rectangle. After that, I'll give it a stroke with a thickness of 2. Then I'll change its color from gray to white. Next, I'll drag this rectangle upward and resize it so it fits perfectly for the image area, the space where the child will enjoy coloring. After that, I'll duplicate this rectangle, make it slightly smaller, and place it underneath the large rectangle. This smaller rectangle will be perfect for writing the animal's name inside it. Now I'll press the letter T on the keyboard to quickly add text to the page. I'll type any animal name for now, just so I can adjust the font size to fit nicely inside the bottom rectangle. Then I'll change the font style to Genty Sans. After that, I'll go to Effects, and I'll convert the text to the hollow effect. This is very important, because now the child can actually color the word itself, not just the image. Finally, I'll increase the font size slightly, until it looks just perfect like this. Clean, organized, and absolutely beautiful for a kid's coloring book. And now, this is the very important part of the video, so focus with me carefully, because this step will save us a huge amount of time. Instead of manually typing each animal name on every single page, duplicating pages, and wasting hours doing repetitive work, Canva has an app called Bulk Create. If we go to the Apps section, you'll find it down here at the bottom. Just click on it. Then I'll choose Enter Data Manually, and I'll press Clear Data. Now I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the list of animal names it generated for me. Then I'll return again to Canva and paste them here simply by pressing Ctrl+V on the keyboard. That's it. After that, I'll click Done. Now here's the magic. I'll right-click on the word dolphin that's already on the page, choose Connect Data, and then select this option T1. Then I'll press Continue and click Generate 120 Designs. And in just 1 second, Canva automatically fills in all 120 animal names for us, perfectly and professionally. Imagine the time we just saved. This is exactly why Bulk Create is such a powerful tool. Now we only have one final step left to complete this book, and that is adding the images that the child will color. For example, on the first page, I'll go to Elements and search for Dolphin Outline. You'll see many image options appear. Just choose the one you like. Then I'll go to the second page and search for Whale Outline and pick the whale image I prefer. And we repeat the same simple process for the rest of the pages. This will not take you more than a few minutes to complete an entire 120-page book. After we finish designing the book, all we need to do is download the file as a PDF. I've already explained before how to sell it on Amazon and on Etsy. And now, we're coming to a very important part of this video. Do not miss it. The gift that I promised you. Stay with me, because you're going to love this. I really want you to listen to this carefully. Regarding my bundle that consists of 80 books, there is a brand new update that I created today for this collection. As you already know, this bundle includes 80 books that you can edit with precision, merge together, and customize. And we've already explained this before using Canva. You're not just getting PDF files here, you're also getting Canva links. These books are perfect for Amazon KDP. Each one of the 80 books contains 30 carefully designed pages created with more than 7 years of experience in this field. We start with teaching kids the alphabet, then move to words, and after that to different types of practice and activity books. And you also know that this year, math books are trending like crazy. I didn't forget that at all. I created more than 5 math books for different age groups and different types of exercises. Honestly, if you focus only on the math books, you'll find that their value alone is much higher than the price of the entire bundle. But I reduced the price for a limited time just for you. All types of exercises and activity books are included in this bundle. For example, the Find the Differences book includes 30 pages. And I'm sure that if you asked a designer to create 30 pages like this, it would cost you around $250. I want you to go to the website that I'll leave in the pinned comment and see for yourself the number of pages and books you'll get. And there are also some books you won't find on Amazon or Etsy at all. They come purely from my own ideas and designs. I'm confident that if you focus on them, you'll stand out, and your store will offer books that other stores simply don't have. And we didn't forget adults either. This bundle is not just for kids. There are adult coloring books and more. Now, about the big update I mentioned earlier. Last month, as you know, we added 5 new products that only buyers of this bundle could access to give them extra value, and these were specifically for Etsy. Today, I added 5 more new products to the bundle. That means we now have 10 new products plus the original 80 books the bundle is named after. That's 90 products total. Imagine having 90 products that you can merge and turn into hundreds of listings. The first product from these 10 is completely free for everyone. Once you click on it, it opens instantly, and you'll be able to see the creativity behind it. It's 100% my own design. I'm very confident this product will generate a lot of sales because it focuses on numbers. And as we analyzed earlier at the beginning of the video, numbers from 1 to 10 are already proven winners. On the last page of this product, I included ideas to help you design it easily. And if we go back to the bundle again, you'll see that the original price is $110. But with a huge discount, the bundle is available today for just $29. That's a fraction of its real value, especially since I update this bundle and add new books every month. And if you purchased the bundle in the past, don't worry. You'll find the 5 new books already added to your account. Go now to the pinned comment and grab this bundle. I'm absolutely sure you'll make multiple times the money you paid for it. It's a very small investment.